Today we're touring Rancho Glendora, a manufactured housing community over in Glendora, California. We are between the 210 and 10 freeways off the 57, minutes from shopping and a lot of restaurants. This community offers its residents a great lifestyle. All the homes and streets and yards are well maintained. The common areas are beautiful. The residents get to enjoy a nice clubhouse, swimming pool, jacuzzi, shuffle courts, and so much more. This swimming area is a great area for residents to meet each other, hang out, have friends and family, and enjoy each other's time. This is a beautiful, large, updated swimming pool. A lot of manufactured housing communities have small pools or do not have pools at all. They also have this very large jacuzzi. This is a beautiful community. If you're interested in learning more about Rancho Glendora or other manufactured housing communities, leave a comment. We will get back to you. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. We have a lot of new community tours and home tours coming your way. We hope you enjoy Rancho Glendora.